back again. So today I have brought a video on the topic of sequence and series, and this topic we can study at class 9, class 10, class 11 science and class 12 business math. So here sequence and series I am going to briefly explain about it and the formulas which we have to use in this topic. So sequence is the collection of numbers having a fixed pattern or relation with the continuous number, whereas series is the sum of the numbers of the sequence. So sequence means the collection of number which follows a certain rule, and by using the rule we can predict the next coming up numbers. For example, we can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the difference is here 2. So the numbers are increasing by 2, making the difference of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we can predict the next number will be 12, 14, 16, etc. So if the arrangement of the number is given like this, then it is called sequence. In the same time, if we use plus or minus instead of comma, then it is called series. So basically sequence and series are same group of numbers, only the difference is in sequence we have comma and in series we will have plus or minus. So sequence is an arrangement of any objects or set of numbers in a particular order followed by some rule. So by using the sum rule we can arrange the numbers. Like if A1, A2, A3, A4 are in the sequence, then 1, 2, 3, 4 denotes the position of the term. Like A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, like on. A sequence can be defined based on the number of terms, that is either finite sequence or infinite sequence. So if we take the sequence or the numbers up to the certain number, then it will be finite. If it is goes for uncountable time, then it is called infinite. Now series, it is the just sum of the sum or difference of the objects or the set of numbers of the sequence. Like I already told you, if the same sequence number are represented by using the plus, then that is called series. Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the sequence. If we use the plus with the same numbers, then it will be series. Now there are two types of sequence and series for class 9 and 10, that is arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. So in this video we will talk about the arithmetic sequence. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between each consecutive terms is always the same. That means the difference between the two coming numbers will have the same difference. So basically we add or subtract the same number each time infinitely. So when we arrange the numbers into infinitely, we will have to add or subtract the same numbers to get the next number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you can see the difference is 2. So the next number will be 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. Like 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10 means the numbers are decreasing by the difference of 5. So next number will be minus 15, minus 20 and so on. So we can predict the number by using the common difference. So if the first term of the sequence is A and the D is the difference value, then AS will be the A first term, then adding the difference A plus D, second A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and continues up to A plus and D. So the topic is now general term, and in general term we have to find the rules from which we can predict the coming of numbers. So here we have the example of 2, 4, 6, 8, and if you see the properly we have the common difference of 2. Each term the difference is 2, like 2 and 4 the gap is 2, 4 and 6 the difference is 2, 6 and 8 also difference is 2. So we can break the first term, that is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 will be 2. So further we can break 0 into 1 minus 1. Now similarly we can break 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 into 1. Here 2, first 2 is the first term and this second 2 is the common difference. Then multiply 0 to get 2, multiply by 1 to get 4. then 1 we can break again into 2 minus 1. Similarly 6, 2 multiply 2 into 2, that also 2 plus 2 into 3 minus 1. Similarly 8 is equals to 2 plus 2 multiply 3 is equals to 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1. So we can break the general term as the same number we have. First term is same, so 2 plus 2 is the common difference same. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 denotes the term position. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, which is denoted by and. Then minus 1 is common for all, so minus 1 same. So if we use the symbol, then it is general term Tn is equals to a plus d into n minus 1. Then a is the first term, common difference is d, which can be calculated by using the formula of b minus a, means second term minus first term. 4 minus 2 is 2, or 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6. We can subtract the consecutive numbers to get the common difference. Then n is the term position, which is also denoted by nth term. Like this we can do. Now next one is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean are the numbers which is between the any two numbers. So if you take the two numbers and between whatever number is there, they are called arithmetic mean. Like here 2 and 10. If you take the two numbers, first number 2 and the last number 10, then between these two numbers we have 4, 6, 8. They are called arithmetic mean. So for 2 and 10, 4, 6, 8 are the arithmetic mean. Similarly, if you take 2 and 8, then 4 and 6 will be the arithmetic mean. And if you take 2 and 6, then 4 will be the arithmetic mean. So between the two numbers, whatever number is there, that will be the arithmetic mean in arithmetic sequence. So generally we have two type of arithmetic mean. First one is single arithmetic mean. So if we take 2 and 6, then 4 is the arithmetic mean. So to calculate the value of arithmetic between the two numbers, we have to use the formula of a plus b divided by 2. Like here 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Similarly 6 plus 10, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So between the 6 and 10, these two number, 8 is the arithmetic mean, single arithmetic mean. Now if there are more than one arithmetic mean, for example here we can see 2 and 10. Between the 2 and 10 there are 3 arithmetic mean. So how to calculate this 3 arithmetic mean? By using the formula of M1, first arithmetic mean a plus d, second arithmetic mean will be a plus 2d, third a plus 3d, and so on. The arithmetic mean for nth term will be a plus and d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference. Now for the arithmetic mean, to calculate the common difference, we have to use the formula of b minus a divided by n plus 1, where n here, n is the arithmetic mean, number of arithmetic mean. Like 4, 6, 8, here these 3 are the arithmetic mean, so 3 will be the value of n. Like this we can calculate the arithmetic mean. And remember that this b means the last term and this a means the first term. So here b means 10, a will be 2. Then sum of the sequence. Last topic of the arithmetic sequence is sum of sequence. Total addition of the terms of the arithmetic sequence is the sum of the sequence, denoted by Sn. So if we add the terms of any sequence, then that will be sum of the sequence. And for this we have to use the formula of Sn equals to n by 2 multiplied 2a plus n minus 1 d, where n means total number of terms. So how many number of terms are there in the sequence, that is denoted by n. A means first term as always. D means the common difference between the terms, like b minus a we already used in general term also. Like this we can do the find the sum of the sequence. So this much is guys for today. We are discussing about the arithmetic sequence. In next video I'll bring some question from this topic and I'll try to solve them and I'll explain how to solve those questions. And for that, subscribe the channel, and after that I'll bring geometric sequence also. So keep watching, like, subscribe the channel, and comment if you have any question. Thank you.